Hello everyone, welcome back to Fantastic Funnels. And today in this particular tutorial, I'm just going to talk about System.io uh, Stripe connection. So Stripe is a payment gateway option to collect the payment through a website. So we are going to connect Stripe to our System.io account, and let's go ahead and see that how we can able to do it. It is a very easy process. There is no hard steps, so you just have to follow the steps and you will able to do it very easily. So let me go ahead and share my screen. So now you can see that I'm in my Swipe account right now. I just want to navigate you. Sorry, I'm in my system.io account, and I want you to navigate from the beginning. And so this is how the dashboard looks like. You just have to get into the settings area from your profile icon from the right hand side top area. And when you see your profile area under the settings, you have to get to the payment gateway option. So from the right hand side from the list, so you can see that my PayPal and my Razorpay is already connected in here. I'm going to connect the Stripe, and you can go through with this particular documentation, the article. You can click on this particular link, read this article to configure Stripe integration, and you will able to do that. So I'm just going to simply click on this button, connect, and when I click on this, it will going to ask me to enter my email address, which belongs to Stripe. So I'll do that. Here it is. Have a Stripe account. You can use the same email address. So just for the confirmation, going to my Stripe account and this is my email address. We'll copy it. We'll go back to the Stripe, paste it in here and submit. And we'll follow the process. Okay. Now get started with the Stripe. I need to enter my password. So I'm just going to check my password, which I guess I'm forgetting right now. So I'm just going to pause this recording for a while. So I logged out from my account and I viewed my password, copied it. We'll go back to the Stripe, enter the password in here and submit it. Okay, it will going to send a verification code to my phone number, which is connected to the Stripe account. So we'll enter the verification code in here. And it will process it automatically as soon as you will enter the code. And now you can see that it fetched up the information about my account. So this is what my account name created on this particular date. And once I verify that this is yes, the correct account, I can click on connect. And if you don't have Stripe account yet, so you can click on the create a new account. From there only, it will redirect you to Stripe website to complete the following, complete the steps. So it is just finalizing the connection with the Stripe, and yep, we are done. So as soon as it completed the finalization of the connection of the Stripe account, it simply push it, push the dashboard to the funnels area where we can go ahead and connect our Stripe account. So just for the verification, I just want to get into the settings again. We'll get into my gateways and try to open. So you can see that my account is connected now. Okay. This, yes, right. This integration with the account is in process. Once it will get completed, I will receive a notification from the system.io to my email address. Okay. And after that, I can able to start using the Stripe with the website. Now, why we need to connect the Stripe in here, let me tell you. So if I'm going to create any new funnel in here, so let's say that when I'm creating any sales funnel where I have to collect the payment as well. So I'm just going to give a test funnel name, and I'm selecting the sales option where I have to sell my offer. My currency is selected to the US dollar. Okay. And then I will save it. Once I will save it, it is saved. Now, when I open this test funnel, let's select it, the order form. Now, to the order form here, I'm going to create a digital product. So let's say that if I'm selling out my courses or any kind of product which can be delivered digitally. So uh, in the funnel setting, I can go to the funnel setting first and I can show here. It is showing US dollar. And right now, if I'm unchecking this one, I can only see the PayPal right now because PayPal is verified. Once the Stripe will get verified, I can see the Stripe in here as well. And I can choose any one which is needed from the funnel setting. Okay. From here, I can create a digital product and add it to the order so that if anyone going to my website, I can easily collect the payment using the Stripe. I don't have to get into my Stripe account always and create a payment link. Now, with the help of this particular setup, my automation get fulfilled because everything is going to happen inside my system.io account through the system.io account. And this is why we need to connect our payment gateway to any platform, any SaaS platform to complete the automation. So I hope you like this particular video that how to connect your Stripe account and understood that why it is important to connect the Stripe or any gateway to your uh, SaaS builder, to your funnel builder platform to complete the automation. Thank you very much.